Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And after successive requests from all the YouTube subscribers on my channel, I have decided to make a small demonstration video on how to change the straps on legendary Casio F91W. So as you know that this watch has been a very famous one yet very notorious one. So quite obvious, you can Google it why it is notorious one. But anyways, I am a peaceful guy, so I do not need to dwell into all those matters. So this is the Casio F91W. You can go and check out the review on my channel. But today I am going to demonstrate how to change these straps, these original rubber straps on this very reliable watch. So let's go ahead. So with the very first thing that you need is a spring bar tool with a very fine pin at the other end. This is the spring bar tool here that I have, and this is the other end with a very fine pusher pin. So if you see the watch, you will see that it is a single push pin that goes from one side of drilled lug to the other side. Uh, this watch strap does not have any kind of spring bar, so it is just a push pin. So take the watch like this, and when you observe this watch, you will find that the face is towards you. So these sides are this push pin hole here, and another hole is here. So what you do that you put this spring bar pin inside like this, and give it a steady but gentle push to drive this pin out, and you can easily hold it by hand and take the pin out. The first strap comes out, the first piece of the quick release strap. Similarly, on the same side, that is the right side here, you push it again. The other side have also come out, and it is out now. Now if you see the back side here, you see that the allowance space for any thicker strap is very less here. So I have chosen this very fine thickness netto strap, a very fine fabric netto strap. I have other nylon nettos as well, but those won't go with it. So as you know that the space is so less here that you cannot simply slip on the netto. So I will just have to fix the pins just from the top of this. So this is going to be a tedious job, but definitely a doable one. So I will take one of the pins. So here it is. So as you know that the spring goes from left side and come out of the right side, so I will take the finer edge of the pin. This is the the bulb end, and this is the flat end. So I am going to put it from the right hand side, and I will give a slight push to the fabric here. I have to just place it a little nicely because the allowance is so low that I cannot get the the strap pin properly there. So just have a little patience here, guys. And here it is. I have to go gently so that the pin does not pierces the cloth, and I will simply push it here. Adjust the strap a little bit. Don't allow excessive torsional force here, otherwise it may damage the pin. And I have pushed it like with the fingernail. I have pushed it, but to lock it at this place I have to put the pin, the spring bar tool pin. And did you hear that click? Now that bulb has locked into the lock here. Don't often do this because it will broaden these holes, and then the pin will simply fall out. Don't change the straps often. Now I will put the other part here. So as you know that it is coming in from the left and going out from the right. So let's take the pin. Let's put the bulb end first, the narrow end first. I will simply go one more time and demonstrate it to you. Yes, it has come, and I will gently slide it just like this by holding it, and then I will push it again and align it with the other hole here, and final push with the fingernail, and then use this pin tool give it a final push here, and it has locked. See, well inside. So, and it is done now, and I will just slip on the NATO, and here it is. The straps changed, quite sturdy, and yet the watch is so light. And now I am having a NATO strap, so I have got the added redundancy. It won't fall out of my wrist now. So this is how you change the strap of Casio F91W. But just remember, use a right tool. Don't do it often in order not to damage the lugs or the plastic. But definitely if you want to change it often, and even if you damage this watch, this is very budget watch. I think $13 to $15 the price of this watch, and you can get anywhere in any part of the world, because Casio offers it. Till date they have manufactured millions of this, and you can definitely go and see the review. So thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and have a nice one. Good evening, goodbye, good night. Well, take care.